Are you looking to save on import and export taxes for your manufacturing business? If so, you need to know about the Mexican Manufacturing, Maquila, and Export Services Industry Program, or Immex for short. Immex is a government initiative to attract foreign investment and spur economic growth in Mexico through the industrial manufacturing and export of goods and services. Since its launch in 2006, Immex has become one of Mexico's most successful economic development programs, attracting a large number of investors and contributing to the development of the country's industrial and export infrastructure in various sectors. But what exactly is Immex, and how can it benefit companies manufacturing in Mexico? Immex is an incentive program designed for foreign companies manufacturing in Mexico. It helps reduce taxes by granting duty deferral on foreign goods temporarily imported to the country to be used in manufacturing, transforming, or repairing goods or services destined for export or for the provision of export services. This means you can receive tax credits for import dues paid on products that are subsequently exported, providing significant benefits just for manufacturing in Mexico. Some of the benefits of the Immex program include the ability for foreign companies to keep certain imported goods and property in the country from 18 months to indefinitely without triggering the tax consequences derived from a permanent establishment. Immex also allows you to apply for additional government incentive programs such as VAT and IEPS certification, providing even more tax savings and flexibility in import-export processes than Immex alone. So, who can participate in the Immex program? The program is open to all companies and entities interested in manufacturing in Mexico and exporting goods and services. To apply for the Immex program, you must submit an electronic application through the Ministry of Economy's website and provide supporting documentation, including proof of legal possession of the facilities where operations will be carried out and documents proving good legal standing and up-to-date tax obligations. Once accepted, you must comply with certain obligations to maintain their status, including filing annual reports of operations and notifying the Ministry of Economy and the Tax Administration of all changes in operations and ownership. Partnering with a shelter provider like American Industries will facilitate this and all other administrative aspects of setting up operations in Mexico, eliminate liability, and ensure full compliance with all laws and regulations. This means you can focus on what you do best, allowing companies with no experience operating in Mexico to start up operations quickly and with minimal risk. Thank you for watching our overview of the Immex program and its benefits. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how we can help your company set up in Mexico, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are American Industries. Let us be your partner for success.